How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can transfer photos from MacBook to your SD card. Basically, this is a really simple process, but we need third-party hardware in order to achieve this. And that's going to be the SD card reader. Now with this specific SD card reader, we could insert this huge SD card or we could insert this micro SD card, and it has two types of connection. So if your MacBook has type C or the normal USB port, you could use the other one around. So just simply plug your SD card onto your MacBook or onto the SD card reader, and then you want to choose one of the following USB ports, and then basically once again plug it onto the SD card reader. From there, just open up your folders. Now, basically I'm using Windows right here, but you will be able to look at it inside your computer. And as of right now, this is going to be the SD card that I'm reading. It's going to be my Kingston. And basically what you want to do is to just navigate through something like your pictures. In here, you could just copy it and then place it inside something like the USB or the SD card reader. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.